Welcome back to the Black Hills and Eastern Railroad, everybody. Eric here. Tonight we are laying out the town of Garretson, South Dakota, which on my layout at least is situated at the top of two hills, one coming up out of Sioux City, Iowa, and the other one going down towards Pipestone and Marshall, Minnesota. In a previous episode, you saw me stringing out LED strip lights for the staging below Garretson, and now I've laid out quarter-inch plywood and half-inch homasote to form up the base of the subroadbed of Garretson. I'm tackling some engineering challenges here in this episode, hooking up that subroadbed coming up from Sioux City and then going back down towards Marshall, Minnesota. So let's go ahead and get started and see what we can get done today. So here's where I'm planning to lay out Garretson, South Dakota on my layout. I've already got clamps set up and a little mend plate, a plywood mend plate. I'm pilot hole drilling and countersinking in the same step, holes to join the mend plate to those two pieces of subroadbed. Those clamps and that countersink drill bit have both proven to be super handy. So now I'm using 1-inch drywall screws to join the two members together. Most of the time I prefer to cut homasote either with the table saw or with a reverse blade, jigsaw blade, but you can certainly cut it the more clean way with a utility knife, and you just score the material and then break it in the middle, kind of like what you do with drywall. Then here I am test fitting that homasote in and checking the angle on the cut for the next cut. Now we're taking a look at what it would be necessary to join the north end of Garretson to the Marshall Subdivision going northbound. I decided to mark and cut both the plywood and the homasote subroadbed for the ramp to match up to the helix going downward. So here's I'm using a reverse jigsaw blade to cut the homasote and getting a match up to the Marshall sub going northbound. And here we're attaching another mend plate to get the two pieces of material together. Taking the clamps off. And we're going to clean up with the vacuum a little bit because I don't want that sawdust all over my basement. So here's the Marshall subdivision going northbound and downbound. I slather some glue for preparation and putting cork roadbed in. And then I tack down the cork subroadbed to that white glue that I applied earlier. This is the Marshall subdivision going southbound towards Garretson. This would represent the little strip of railroad between Jasper, Minnesota and Garretson technically. Then I apply the other side of the cork roadbed also using tacks. And then finally we're meeting up with that homasote subroadbed. We get a pretty close match on this after we've joined those two together. You can see where I've cut out the benchwork a little bit for that downbound grade there. So there you have it, folks. We've got the railroad can continue northbound here. We've got track laid up until Garretson, and then all we have to do basically now is lay track and sidings and things in Garretson. We'll continue northbound on the Corson subdivision here, as you see. But that's another time for another story. Hope you enjoyed riding along on this episode. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everybody.